Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello, hi everyone. Good morning. I hope your day is fine. So, welcome back, my dear friends. I am so glad that you are here. But if you are doing your part, it means you are staying at home and keep doing what you are supposed to be doing for the good of public health, and always adhere to official guidelines because it is necessary. So, my dear friends, stay home, save lives, and it is all about the safety measures. My dear friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the beach bags, and you are going to see a very beautiful and amazing collection of knitted and crochet beach bags. And these beach bags are a must have for your beach trips. In this video you are going to see very beautiful pattern ideas, color scheme ideas, and so many beautiful latest and trendy designs that can go best for your beach trips, that can be the perfect bags that you are going to take with yourselves on the beach. So along with these designs, along with these things, I'm also going to discuss with you that so many tips are for you, that how can actually you use your beach bags and what things can you take with you on your beach trips. So beach trips can be a snap if you have a system and know what to bring, whether it's for the day at the beach or part of a full beach vacation. So it depends whatever we pack our beach, it depends that if we are going to spend a single day or a whole period of vacation. So actually when we try to plan for that beach vacation or a day for beach, we pre-plan and pre-pack the things so that when we decide to take the kids or other family members to the beach, we just load up the car and go, and we do not waste our time. In this way we feel so comfortable and our time is actually not wasted. And when we see the things that are essential to take with us, so it's better that you, if you have a checklist, and you must have idea of the things, and sunscreen the kids before you go, and bring some to reapply, because having sunscreens while you go to the beach is actually very important. And there are other so many things and ideas on what should you bring on a beach trip. So these are the kind of, like, you can take Sunday toys with you, and picnic blanket and beach towels kinds of things. And along with that you can take a beach umbrella, a camp chair or beach chair for mom, and flip-flops for all, and beach lunch and snacks. Along with that you can take a change of clothes and hats, and you can take travel size baby powder and rag, and this is for sand removal purpose. You can take first aid items, wallet, phone, camera, keys. Sunglasses are also one of the important items that you are going to take on the beach. Sunscreen and SPF chapsticks and reusable water bottles are also a part that of that beach bag that you are packing for your beach trip. And spare change for feeding the parking meter, and there are so many other things. So when we discuss the things in detail, actually when we talk about sand toys, and I think always have more shovels than you need. Kids will flock to your toys, and you don't want fights over who gets to use the shovel. So shovels are also known for handle breakage, so extras never hurt. And picnic blanket or a beach towel is also a very important thing, because if you bring one picnic blanket for all of the people to share, plus one beach towel per person, it would be very cool for you to manage the things there, and you would be enjoying in a very good way. And beach umbrella, so umbrella is normally light, and it rests perfectly atop the toys. And towels, it doesn't really fit inside the bags, everyone knows it, but it balances that pretty well, and it is so good for all the people who go for beach vacation. And when we talk about camp chair, So preferably you can take the one that folds and has a case with a handle that fits over your shoulder, and you might not get to sit in it much, but it gives the illusion of relaxation, and it can be for the older persons that are with you. And when we come to flip flops, for all the persons, don't struggle with shoes you can't just kick off, because whenever you go to the sands you will want to take off your shoes because it becomes inevitable for all of you. So these are the easiest way to go if you take flip-flops. Plus they protect the bottom of your feet from the hot sand on the way off the beach. And beach picnic lunch is also very important, because whenever you talk about it, the lunch that you already pack is, you need to get that out to the door, and it depends upon what you are trying to take with you. Your water bottles should already be packed in your backpack, and it's upon what fits in your backpack and or your beach bag. There are so many designs of beach bags. You can make your own with crochet, or so the knitted pattern, the one which suits you the best, and the one which is actually the best for you to take with you, and according to the materials actually that you are taking with you, because the size of the bag depends upon the things that you are carrying. If you are having so many things with you to take on the beach, then you would have to carry a big size bag, and if you are having a fewer items, or you are not so many persons, you are only a single or a two persons, then you can take a small size of a bag. So it depends upon you. And when we talk about other things like your sunglasses and sunscreens and hats and change of clothes, so hats for everyone, adults included, because the it is essential for everyone. So I like the floppy fisherman type hats because they cover our ears and we don't look so cool, but it's better than a huge scar from skin cancer, because the sun rays are so dangerous for our skin, and we must take precautions and must take care of ourselves. And change of clothes including your undergarments, and these don't have to be fancy, just enough to get you to the car or home when you have let them get dirty and messy on your adventure. You know, it's okay for kids to get dirty and messy, right? Especially if you have a change of clothes, but you must have. And snacks that can stay in the bag even if you leave in the car. And there are so many good things that you can take, and anything that actually can't melt because it is necessary. Again, you don't need a lot, just enough to tide them over until you can properly feed your youngster before they beg snacks from everyone at the park. So there are so many good things that you can take. And if you are going with your babies, you can take the diaper changing kit, the bottles or breastfeeding blanket can go with you. So it depends upon other things. You can also take, if you are going with babies again, and baby wipes and antibacterial gel type of things. And you can take like something, first aid kit and spare change, because you never know when you will need it for entertaining the kids, or sorry, when you need the cool ones with all sort of extras for kids. And you can also take band aid, because you can need it at any time if some mishaps is there. So you can also take some extra rubber bands. For example, if your daughter or a baby girl is going with you, you might need it. You can also take a travel size baby powder and rag in a Ziploc bag. It's an amazing trick to remove the sand, because it works so wonderfully, and it is so good to deal with the sand. And just powder it on your child's sandy feet and legs and then brush off with the rag. No more sand would be there, and you would be enjoying this trick, and it is so good. So one of the best tips is also that if you just transfer your wallet and your camera, if you have extra one, from your purse to the middle or the pocket, so you don't have to carry the purse separately, so the phone and keys can also go there. So whenever you go to parks or trips, you can take these things with you. So these small pockets in your bags can serve as so many purposes, like you can take the sunglasses for kids, and because you can wear your own, and the kids are a kind of naughty ones and sometimes they don't wear until they reach there, so you have to keep in your bag. Keep your sunscreens, also keep your chapstick, and you can keep a gum for mom and a good breath also. If you have a small pocket and a fewer pockets in your bag, it would be so good. So if you are trying to make a beach bag in your holidays, it's so good to add some small pockets so that you can actually organize and arrange the items in a good way, and it helps you to do the things in a better way. And if you have some side pockets, these are also necessary whenever you are trying to make a beach bag or a bag to carry on your trips, even to the parks or somewhere else. Make the side pockets that will actually serve for so many purposes. For example, you can put your water bottles on the side pockets, and this has probably saved us for so many years. You can refill your water bottles at drinking fountains throughout the day, and even some amusement parks where the soda vendors will refill your bottles with water and ice for free. So it's amazing to have bottles and you can use anywhere without wasting some extra money and without getting worried. If you are liking these ideas, I request you to please hit like and subscribe to my channel and keep watching. I'm so thankful to you, and we will meet in the next video. Take care till then. And if you are trying to find some other crochet or knitted items, and if you want to see some other collections, please let me know in the comment section, so I would try to bring all the collections. I am trying to work on the patterns and the ways to make these things, because so many of my viewers and friends ask for patterns, but the thing is that you know that it's the lockdown period everywhere around the world and everyone is staying home, and there are no malls open and no stores to buy the materials for crochet and knitting. So I am actually waiting impatiently for these things to reopen. I hope and I wish that all the things get secured and all the things actually come back to a normal routine, and when the things come back to normalcy, we would be thankful to God. And let's pray, all of us, for the safety of all human beings and all the world, all the living beings actually. May God protect us, may God forgive our sins, and may God pardon us for all the wrongdoings of ourselves. So I would be trying to buy some materials as soon as the lockdown period gets over, and then my routine would be to bring some mini kind of things on a daily basis or during a few tutorials, 1 or 2 tutorials during a week, so that you can take ideas from those tutorials and go for your own ones. And I am actually hopeful that these things would be helping you to make your own, because this holiday period is surely to be enjoyed in some way, because we can't sit actually idle and waste our time during the whole day without doing anything. It is necessary to indulge ourselves in some good and positive activities. So my dear friends, I also request you to please keep watching, and if you stay connected with me and keep watching, there would be so many amazing things in the future too. And I request you, if you are liking this video, you can share it with other members of your family and friends, and please support me, and I am so thankful for the way that you are so kind to me. And the last thing is that take care of yourselves and take care of all the people that are around you, because taking care of each other is actual humanity, and we should be careful and respectful towards everyone. This is actual spirit of life, and this is actual lesson of humanity. So take care of yourselves, take care of your families, take care of the little kids and babies. Ask them to wash the hands, ask them to stay home and stay